Hello everyone, welcome back to the Keep Productive YouTube channel. It is Francesco here, and it is time to do three really big things for the year. What we've got today is we've got the productivity awards that we'll be giving away to some companies that have won them. Number two is we have the 100k badge that come in the post, which was pretty cool. And number three, we have a giveaway for you guys. So you can skip to the timestamp which you find most suitable, but if you want to watch this video, naturally it's just going to go through all those different three categories. So let's start with the 100k badge, because then we get the awards and we'll get the giveaway going. We have the 100k badge in the post, which was really wicked. This is really important. I think it's like a good milestone. And it's amazing, since we actually hit 100k, we've got 5,000 more of you, which is amazing. But this is the badge. So that's what it looks like. It says lovely just below there, keep productive for passing 100,000. So that's absolutely awesome, guys. You've made this possible as a community. And yeah, we'll be continuing to make more exciting videos. And just to give you a sort of glimpse into the next sort of videos that we're making, we're looking to make focus on January and sort of being that goals and resolutions month. So we'll be making lots of top 10 videos, top 5 videos to help you find the best tool if you're looking for them, and also to renew our lists. We typically do that every year. And we've also got some exciting videos that hopefully will dig into how to get started with resolutions. And I'm really excited. So guys, this is what you've got. It's a big, sort of big milestone. So thank you very much. And I am really amazed at how this community has progressed. So let's continue doing what we're doing. Let's learn about apps and really dig deep into the ones that we've got and really hone in on them. So number two, this is the exciting stuff, is the awards. So this is the 4th annual Productivity App Awards. This is where we basically ask you guys what your favorite softwares are. And we had, I believe, 6 categories this year. I've got the results here in front of me, and I will be going through them. I'm really excited because I took a little bit of a peek, but I didn't actually see breakdowns. We've had over 663 votes. Well, 663 votes bang on, which is amazing. And as you can see here, let's start with the best task manager category. Now it looks like by 28% of the vote we had Todoist winning, with second place goes to ClickUp, which is a interesting move by them. I mean, like, having it as a task manager this year was something that a lot of people liked, obviously. So 89 votes went for them. And in third place was TickTick with 84 votes, 12.7% of the vote. So well done to Todoist for winning the best annual to-do list application. And I think they've won that 4 years in a row now, which is absolutely crazy. So they will be getting the award through the post. Now, a few notable ones. Things3 got 54 votes. Notion got 42 votes. And Microsoft To Do got 39, which was not bad, actually, for its first real year on the market. So let's take a look at the best note-taking application. This one was a bit of a shocker for me. 23% of the vote came in with Evernote. They got 154 votes, and they are the winners. They are the number one note-taking application, with Notion. Not a close second, actually. I thought it would be a much tighter battle. 16.4% of the vote they got. And in third place, close to Google Keep, OneNote came in third place, and fourth came Google Keep. So let's look at the calendar. The calendar applications was a battle and a half. 15.1% of the vote was Woven. So Woven won 100 votes, and they managed to secure the best calendar application of the year, which is amazing. Google Calendar, only 1 vote away as the native application that came second. So close. And Fantastico wasn't far off with 86 votes. That's Fantastico 2 for Mac. So you've got yourself like Woven, Google Calendar, and Fantastico 2. With Calendars 5 by Redo in 4th place with only 40 votes. They were really the 3 top contenders. So let's go down to Project Manager of the Year 2019. 37% of the vote goes to ClickUp, 19.6% to Notion, so a close second by Notion. Actually, not a close second, but, you know, the closest to ClickUp, and Trello getting 3rd place, with Asana getting 4th. So those were the 4 major, and lots of applications got vote, about 7 pages worth. Anything from Favreau to Walling to Dropbox Paper to Jira, Paymo, etc. So there were quite a few on the block there. Now for the final vote of the year, we have Best Newcomer. Last year, I believe Notion got that. But this year, it's ClickUp. I put ClickUp on there, I think, because they had obviously big changes this year, and they've won. So ClickUp have not just won the Best Project Manager, but they've also won the Best Newcomer of the Year. Now, 2nd place goes to Coda. Second place goes to Microsoft To Do, which is a real good win for them. Well, 2nd place for them. And Coda at 81 votes in 3rd place. So you had a lot of people there. Actually, you had quite a lot. You had Agenda, Spike, Woven, Amazing Marvin, Otternotes, Two Birds. Otternotes actually got 30 votes, which is impressive. So those are the winners this year. Let's go through them. Best to-do list application, Todoist. Best note-taker, Evernote. Best calendar application, Woven, by 1 vote. And also ClickUp winning the final 2 awards for Best Project Manager and Best Newcomer. Wow, guys. Wow. What a year for voting, and the most votes we've had. So let's try and get to 1,000 next year for the 5th annual one. But thank you all for voting for your favourites on that. It was absolutely amazing to have that. So let's move on to what is available for you guys in the giveaway. So in order to win the giveaway, all you need to do is like this video. So that's a thumbs up below. Subscribe to this channel if you're not already. And comment below with the specific one that you want to win and why. And we'll be distributing them based on all of that information. We won't have necessarily, we'll have 15 to 20 winners that we'll pick out, and they'll get prizes. There's 14 prizes to win, so quite a lot actually. Let's go through them. So the first one is SetApp for Teams. So there's 3 month free access to SetApp for a team of 4 people. SetApp is a really great application that allows you to choose a multitude of applications, like the Netflix for Mac apps. So that's a really great prize. 3 months free of 20 of them, 3 months free of team plan for 4, which is great. So that's the first one, and that was donated by Mac Poor. And then we've got Readall coming in. So they have 20 redeem codes for iOS Calendars 5 application, which is a smashing Calendars application. Number 3 comes in at Standard Notes. So Standard Notes are giving away 1 year of extended plan, 10 of those. So that is absolutely fantastic. And Evernote are giving away 3 plans, 1 annual premium and 2 monthly premium subscriptions. So 3 people will be very lucky to get an Evernote plan. Monday.com are giving away one-off codes for a yearly subscription, and that's for 10 people, which is fantastic. And moving along, ClickUp are giving away a 35% discount for the first year of a paid plan through the promo code. So you'll find the promo code below to get that, and that's for 20 people. So we'll be giving that as part of the prize so they can get a discount on ClickUp. Todoist, which is a company behind Todoist, are giving 20 one-year premiums away of Todoist, which is a great prize. Thank you very much to those chaps. And Notion are giving away 3 personal plans for 1 year and 3 Notion tote bags. So if you're a big fan, those are the 3 prizes from Notion. Do shout out if you want those. Obviously, we'll be picking roughly about 20 of them, 20 of you, and shuffling down the prizes based on that. Coda are giving away, which I thought was a fantastic amount, for a team to have $1,000 credit on their account, which is crazy. And thank you for the Coda team for doing that. That's a great one for teams that are looking for a very big opportunity to get started. Bear Notes is giving away 5 Bear Pro yearly subscriptions. So that's perfect for if you're looking to take more notes and more writing pieces in 2020. So Nozbe are also giving away 26-month Nozbe solos or 4 months of Nozbe Duos. So that is a fantastic prize, and they're working very hard on Nozbe Teams at the moment, so I appreciate that they were able to give that away. It's very kind of them. And thing 3 are giving away 20 one-off codes. I believe that was to the that can either be for the so that's going to be 5 for Mac, 5 for iPad, and 5 for iPhone. So we'll shuffle that down. So that's absolutely fantastic. Every Day, which is a habit tracker application, is giving away 100 months of premium. So you can find that one in the link in description. Actually, if you want to get that one, you can just go through the link. It's first come first served. So if you want 1 month, one month free of the premium, and they're also giving away 10 6 months of premium codes. So that's going to be for the winners there, which is absolutely fantastic. And finally, Habitify, which is another habit tracker application, is giving away lifetime access to Habitify. 10 of you will be able to get that. So I will do how they're sort of weighted in the description below. But wow, I will do top 3 top winners, and then the rest of you will get the other prizes from the companies, which I think is a great deal anyway. So there'll be about 20 winners. We'll be announcing that back in January. So you've got a fair while. You've got till January the 15th, maybe we'll say 15th. But all you need to do is subscribe, and comment below with what prize you'd like to win and how Keep Productive has helped you. But anyway, guys, a very big thank you. Thank you very much to this fantastic year. We'll be making more exciting content in 2020. I'm dead excited. It's going to be so fun. But guys, thank you very much, and I'll talk to you guys very, very soon. Merry Christmas. Have a great week off, or 2 weeks off, however you set it up. But a big thank you from Francesco here at Keep Productive. Cheers, guys. Bye.